Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn money decimal problem solving. First, I am going to explain today's learning intention. We are learning to solve decimal problem stories. For this learning intention, the success criteria is we will be successful if we can understand the concept of multiplication and division of decimal numbers, solve the given decimal word problem stories correctly on our own. This is a shop display menu. A shop display the following price list. Here we can see orange 2 rupiah 50 lari, apple 4 rupiah 50 lari, banana 3 rupiah 50 lari, tomato 1 rupiah 50 lari, and egg 1 rupiah 75 lari. How to divide a whole number by a decimal number? The steps we take to divide a whole number by a decimal, we need to check how many places we need to move the decimals to the right in the divisor to create a whole number. Example, suppose we wanted to divide the whole number 84 divided by decimal 1.2. We would first count how many places we need to move the decimals to the right in 1.2 to get a whole number. This would be one place because if we move the decimal one place to the right, we get the whole number 12. Okay, this is the next part of the sum. The next step is to move the decimal one place to the right in both 84 and 1.2. The previous slide we talked about the only 1.2, but here we are talking about both numbers, okay, 84 and 1.2. Okay, so when we move the decimals one place to the right from the first sum 84, so we need to, there's no other number, so we need to add 0 there, so it comes 840. And like previous slide, this 1.2, this decimal place we move to right one decimal, so it comes 12. So now there is a sum that is we called 840 divided by 12. Then we need to solve the sum. According to this price list, we are going to solve the given questions. So the first question is, how many oranges can be bought for 25 rupiah? So he has 25 rupiah and he want to buy oranges for this amount of money. So we know that one orange is equal to 2 rupiah 50 lari. So first we are going to, what we are going to do is we are going to change this decimal number to a whole number. So we know that 2 rupiah 50 lari, so 2.50, there are two decimal places. So we need to move this decimal point 2 digits to right side. That means end of the 0. Okay, so it comes 250. And when we move these two decimal places to the right, so we need to move two decimal places to the given amount of money as well, that is 25. So After 25 there are no numbers, so we need to add 20 there, and then we have to bring the decimal. So that means 2500, that means 2500. So now we can create a sum, 2500 divided by 250. Then we can solve long division. Okay, here in this example, we are going to find how much a dozen of egg cost. A dozen means 12. So egg each egg cost 1 rupiah 75 lari. So what we have to do is we are going to multiply 1 rupiah 75 lari multiplied by 12. Then we will get the answer. Then after that, here decimal point is here after 2 digits, so we leave 2 digits from right side, and then we need to put the decimal point, so we will get the answer. Okay, in this sum you have 10 rupiah and you want to buy a tomato, an orange, and an apple, and asking the question, can you buy it? So to solve this problem, we are talking about tomato price, orange price, and apple price. So we need to add 2 rupiah 50 lari, and we need to add 4 rupiah 50 lari, and then we are going to add 1 rupiah 50 lari. Then we will get the total. So if the total is less than 10 rupiah, then we can say yes, we can buy. If the total comes more than 10 rupiah, then we can say no, we cannot. Okay, now this is your task. Now you need to take your maths textbook, look at page number 62, open question number 7. And there are same type of scenarios given. So I believe you can solve all these sums on your own. And children, please remember there is a mistake in question number D. Okay, D, it has written a potato there, but in the price list there are no potato. So you cut potato, so instead of potato you write a lemon. Okay, so please do the correction.